another technical drawing for you. And this time we're going to look at an all-glass Juliet railing integral into an aluminum window system. All right, before we dive into the details, I want to go over 5 topics. A, durability, structural rigidity, code requirements, ease of replacement, and ease of cleaning. So what you can see is we have an aluminum window wall system, full height tilt-turn operable windows, and an integral glass Juliet balcony. You can see in elevation, this is the floor to ceiling operable window, and in front you have your glass Juliet railing. So number 1, durability. This laminated glass assembly, it's important to consider a captured or protected assembly in that you don't want water pooling or ponding above this laminated glass assembly because you risk the potential for damage to the interlayer and of course delamination, which you want to avoid at all costs. Next, structural rigidity. So this assembly is structurally glazed, meaning the glass is silicone or glazed to the framing assembly, so you maintain a rigid composite assembly over here. So not only that, but you also have the system captured on all 4 sides, head, sill, and then captured here at the jambs, so you don't risk this glass dislodging or dislocating from the actual framing assembly. Number 3, code requirements. So this is a typical requirement. You have the top of your railing 42 inches above the finished floor surface area. Number 3, ease of replacement. So every manufacturer is going to approach this differently, but if this assembly is preset, in the event of breakage or damage to this glass unit, you want to find a way to easily replace this component without having to completely dismantle the window wall system. So you could see you remove this fastener and this assembly will plop right out. So easily replaceable. And lastly is cleaning. So because these are full height tilt-turn windows, it affords you the opportunity to clean this glass from the interior as well as clean the glass railing. But you can imagine if this light was fixed, any dirt accumulation or anything that gets within the pocket of the glass railing and the operable window or the fixed window, you would not have the opportunity to clean the surface. So you don't want to present an unsightly surface for your occupants. So you can imagine any dirt or anything that would accumulate in this space. If this window were to not be operable, you wouldn't be able to get to this surface to clean it. So there's your 5 tips when designing a glass railing within an aluminum window wall system.